let me introduce our rain test to you. This is the rain test for AATCC certified. The function of the rain tester, it is to simulate the rain which impact on the fabric and to assess how much water penetrates from the fabric into the backside. The testing method is that to use a AATCC blotting paper on the backside of the specimen and clamp the specimen in front of the AATCC blotting paper. To clamp the specimen in the specimen holder, and the water will impact on the top surface of the specimen. After doing the test for 5 or 10 minutes, take the specimen out and remove the specimen to take out the blotting paper to check the weight. How much water have been absorbed by the blotting paper. This is for the function of the rain testers. Our rain tester machine have a function that can control the water temperature automatically, because in the AATCC testing standard, they require the test be done in different temperatures. So our machine can control the water temperature automatically and precisely. Another function is that our machine have an internal circulation system. Water tank is at the bottom of the machine, and they have the water level control. They have the water heater inside the water tank. They can control the water temperature. They have a water pump which can pump the water to the outside, then spray water to the specimens to form a circulation system. This is the blocking plate. This is a blocking plate which can block the water after the test is finished. This blocking plate is automatically controlled by the compressed air. But now here, there is no compressed air in the exhibition center, so I move it by hand. The blocking plate makes it possible for the water circulation continuously. The continuous water circulation makes a stable pressure, so the machine can control the water pressure stably. Let's come to the touch screen. You can introduce the function of the machine. Here, you can see there's a red point. This is for the indication of the machine, whether it is ready for test. Once you press there are 2 languages, Chinese and English. So now we switch to the English page. Once you press the warm up, the machine will automatically control the water temperature and the water pressure. If you set the water temperature to 27 degrees Celsius, after some minutes, the current water temperature will go up to the set point. And once you select the water pressure, it is also automatically controlled by the system. So after some seconds, it will come to stable. When this red light turns to green, you can start the testing. So you see this on the right side, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 5 fixed value for the water pressures. Because these water pressures are indicated or requested by the AATCC testing standard. So we have returned all these water pressures inside our system. It is for easy use of our test.